mechano, mechano, na nega biala negi garuze ebere gizu sarago parande na tuta muno nyegeria muna gigeria. Stop crying, okay? Nine, are you not done? Come out, oh. It's getting late already, and we have a long distance to cover. Baby, stop crying, My father will soon be out.
Give me the child. I said, give me the child.
My baby. Move.
Our warriors are being massacred. We are losing the war, but still fighting.
You know you are the only child of your father. I warned you not to go to war, but you refused. Now look at what you have done to yourself and your child in my womb.
Forgive me, my love. I abandoned the war to see you for the last time and to say goodbye to you and my son. Yo.
No, you will not die. You will not. You will live for us.
Where is Mama? Tell me, where is our mother?
Juma, I am lost. I am lost in the middle of the day.
Tell me what happened. Where is our mother?
Whatever happens, I want you to take heart. Take heart, my daughter, and console your younger one. Whatever happens.
Tell me what happened.
As we were returning, we heard that war broke out between the people of Obodeze and the Zabinago, and we were advised to pass through the forest of Obodombe. But unknown to us, suddenly, the warriors of Zabinago laid an ambush against us and attacked us. We told them that we were from Ethiopia, and they accepted that because of the language we spoke and wanted us to pass. But when they looked at your mother's face, they saw the tribal mark of Obodeze people, and they pounced on her. They mercilessly and brutally killed her with the child before my eyes. Take heart. Don't cry, my daughter. Take heart.
Hold your heart, okay? You will be fine. It's okay, sorry. Sorry. Hold your heart, please. I don't know what it is.
Call Mbori.
Mbori!
Hey! Your Majesty, I smell danger. Ogidi. Danger looms in our land. The people of Obodeze will be wiped out in 3 days. And the people of Ezebinago will take over our land. We are lost.
What did the gods say?
Of all the warriors you sent to the war, only 5 are still alive.
Does it mean the gods have abandoned us?
No, the gods are still with us. But we must sacrifice a virgin boy to Odo if we must win this war.
Tell the gods to give us victory. We shall give them whosoever they desire for the sacrifice.
The gods are wise.
Father! Hey! Father! This is the head of King Ezebinago. I killed. Father, we killed their men. We killed their wives. And killed their children. Burnt down their houses.
You are truly the hero of our kingdom. We shall reward you for this.
We are so proud of you. Oh, Dogu! Maman! Oh, Dogu, Father! I promise, and I promise that Obodeze is safe. Obodeze ayana tago. Obodeze ayana tago. Obodeze ayana tago. Obodeze ayana tago. Hey, Obodeze ayana tago.
Onye ka nna afọ ihe a? Okoro nna, my friend. My prince. My king to be. The greatest hero of my own time. I bow before you. You escaped. My prince, the war was so bloody. Afotubem, I've never fought a battle like that since I became a warrior.
The gods were with us.
Yes. After I was wounded, I thought I was going to die in the battlefield.
I killed Wakike. I killed until my eyes were covered with blood. I killed until I became drunk with blood.
You are indeed the great warrior of our time.
I killed until I became drunk with blood.
It was like a dream and nightmare. The enemy hit me so hard. I fell. I didn't know how I got home.
Indeed, the gods of our land were with us.
We are very lucky people.
I heard your wife betted you a son.
Indeed, my prince. Kita, abuzim na nwa.
Let me welcome the new child.
Oh, thank you, my prince. Oh, dear. Oh, sit down, my prince. Oh, be dear.
Elders of our land, you are welcome. Ezemo Anyodo will soon be here to announce who the gods have chosen for the sacrifice we promised to Odo for the victory he gave us in the war. Does anyone have anything to say while we wait?
Your Royal Majesty, my fellow elders, I greet you all. All I want to say here is that whomsoever the gods have chosen from any of the families, whether he is here or not, should accept it in good faith and take heart, because it is from the gods.
In support of what Mazonovo has just said, I want to say that this sacrifice is very important to this our community, because without it, the people of Ezebinago would have killed all of us and taken over our land.
Otu a no tie mbagara fama kan kan na chikota na chobo ga kpon ma je igbe debe nde chiro obodo ku mu adiri meze na obodo mmadu machie ma obodo nde nabara chukwu igbe elders of the land. Odo has made his choice known. Oh, Your Majesty, but
Ezemo, go ahead and tell us whom the gods have chosen for the sacrifice. We have no option that to accept it.
Ogide, Your Majesty, a river cannot flow through a forest without bringing down trees. Please, come. I would like to share a secret with you. Come with me, Igwe. Nkete na azona few then with another as wafia. All work how you put an etie na agre ga pun bo da boy bo na Ini Edo. Igwe. Apu acha no the ego. The sun has risen from the west.
Why do you talk in parables? Who has the gods chosen?
Obieze, your son, is the chosen one for the sacrifice.
What? Obieze is the crown prince of this kingdom. He will rule after my reign. I must not give him out.
Your Majesty, if he is not sacrificed, more calamity will befall this land. There must be a way out. Ah, I got to be the one. What a very good honor. Elders, I am here again. Mazionovo, prepare your son, Wasinachi, for the sacrifice.
But he's my only son.
You must present him before sunset.
Ezemo, he's...
Agana! Aga don't know.
Ezemo. Owasinachi.
Nam.
Come. There is a place I want us to go to.
No, where?
Don't worry, when we get there, I'll tell you.
Are you taking me to the shrine? Nai, answer me. Are you taking me to the shrine?
Why do you ask?
I heard that the elders are giving a virgin boy as sacrifice to the gods of Obodeze for giving them victory in war. Nai, how can you do this to your own son? Nai.
My son, I wish I can battle with the gods. Come here, come. I say come. I wish I can battle.
Hey! When you are Dikeh Jelly, I got three girl come. What the leader Ghana? All log Gelini. A four boy check ifo. What do go Dikeh Jebuabia? What about the league do also? Ogodala Makuba Baranike. Oh, you're my baby, getting Kana Fulu Puose. Obakatra de Basic Yafuechi. All one Dikeh Jelly. Olu mgbe eji amakwa onye ala udo n'isi. Ụkpaka na-akụ mgbịrịgba na mgbakọ abọnze n'ụlọ asụbe ya. Agagasịrị ga n'olu Odo! Anyanwụ nyere ose nyere ọjị. Odo! Oke mmụọ. Agagasịrị ga. Olu mgbe iji amapụ ido. Odo! Ntuola agbọ Dikeh n'obi. Odo! Anyanwụ dịrị n'otoro odi. Oge la agwa moku lo toro ose. Odo! Afuru aga obi esie ike. Dikeh le jogu. Anyi adịla obodo ya. Anyi adịla isi ụmụ ya. Ihe kwuru le eme. Enyere aga iji buru oke itikwa atụrụ anya. Mkpume. Here is the sacrifice we promised you for the victory you gave us in the war. Ogidi, accept him. Accept it. Receive him. Odo. Ayawisi bukoba. Ayawisi krekre. Mwole ti onwe ya kebo. Agadaba truzo debu ana janjo. Obu onu idu. Ona anu ude. Ido. Ogidi. Ogidi. Odo. Get there.
Your Highness, what is the problem? Your Highness.
Father.
Father, what is it, Father?
My head.
Because of wise, they are watching over you. They are looking at you.
Hello. Anya agaba n'utebo osimiri kwuo osimiri n'azụ. Mada nwụrụ na akpọ n'ekwu okwu ogologo. Oru egbe nji akụkọ sidiri ma abalị ka ka owe kwuru m n'okwu. Enyebe dị n'obi ọgaranya obi okpoko obi a na-akpa mbaraka dị ya. Oye n'afọ na mkpọ na eke bụ nwanne. Ume. Agada gbachiri ụzọ ejebe nụ maka anụnụ bụ anụnụ zukọtara na-achọ kedu anụ ga-abụ eze akpọ ikwirikwi gị ọjụ. Awụrụ ichu mmadụ egbu ọkụkọ ọzọ ọzọkwa ndị ọgụ chịrị oye n'afọ na nkwọ na-eke na ya ma nje mụ bụ odo akwụrụ na anụnụ bụ anụnụ ebere dị n'oke osisi pụrụ n'ugbo ma osimiri na-akpọ m oyogoyo mmụọ na mmadụ ọkwa m akarịa na ọmacha ọ ga-agbado ọnụma gwuo m maka ịdị ka a na-edi ya na na-ada eti nkakwu n'ozu ejire n'ebe ikwigikiri o ruo n'elu ọma ndị nọ na anam o ruo na na ọ makwara ndị nabụrụ obodo okwu mmụọ agagasịrị ga-egwuo na mkpume elu m eje n'ugbo ejire n'ugbo ma osimiri chigharịa igbe jee na mgbakọ bụ ụzọ n'ụlọ asị kpopụta akụkụ chukwu igbe maka ịchọ ịmaka igbe dị ile ugbo ma osimiri anya ehe mbala mmiji ekwela mbala m na-akpụ iche bịakwanụ n'oruwe nhịkọ girigidi oji bido mbekwu tebe inyigidi ka mgbede chi ama ọjị katakata ehi anyụọ na ya n'ike ma kwuru ya oyogoyo mbụ na egede maka ọsụba na eke egbe ihe ọ gara agba n'ụbụrụ ahim idu ajụkwa na emi ọsịla bụ ozi ọma gbakwara na ya n'oyibo asị ya good news where is that I am the Iroko. Your Majesty, I have a message for you and for your ears alone. Ijenjire no renjire na for mu na ga gba ma ku nkata opu mekpom. Ogide. Enwo. Oye jeme tanta gara mi mo. Oye. Afọ. Opo.
My head is burning like fire. All I hear is the drum beat of and the voices of the dead. I don't know why this is happening to me. Help me.
Your Majesty, no matter how tall the Iroko tree is, it can never touch the sky. You will die very soon, and your family will be wiped out forever. The kingship of Obodeze has gone to another family.
What shall I do to please the gods to be well again?
Your Highness, you must sacrifice your son Obieze, whom the gods have chosen.
I said it before. I shall never sacrifice my son.
Oh, Igwe, you got everything wrong. Because the calamity will be more terrible.
Hey, Daddy gods, I shall sacrifice 7 virgin boys and 7 virgin girls.
No, Igwe. Only Obieze, your son, can please the gods.
Your Highness, sacrifice.
Again?
You must sacrifice a gray-haired old man to the gods of your land, and your sickness will disappear.
Oh, I believe in you.
But then, there is a bigger storm ahead.
Bigger storm?
The gods have chosen a boy called Sinachi from another family to become the king of Obodeze.
Live long, your highness.
Yeah.
You sent for me, father.
Yes, I sent for you. Go around the whole village. Search for the child that bears the name Sinachi. And from which family?
Is anything the matter, father?
When you find him, I shall tell you why I am looking for him.
Greetings, my prince.
Greetings. What is your name?
Ugori, my prince.
Are you from Obodeze?
Yes, my prince.
Good, I see. Do you know any child by name Sinachi?
I don't think I know anyone like that, my prince.
You are Sinachi?
No, my prince. My name is Udo Sinachi.
Now, do you know anybody who bears the name Sinachi in Umungene?
I do not know of anybody with that name, my prince.
If you ever find out anybody with that name Sinachi, come to the palace with the information. Be gone.
Thank you, my prince.
Is that his name?
Yes.
And Wabugo is his father?
Wabugo, my best friend.
Thank you, my son. I shall reward you for this.
Anything to make my father happy.
Go with your men. Kill that child. Kill the mother. Kill the father and burn down the house.
Father, Wabugo is my friend. My best friend. It will be very hard for me to kill my own friend and the family.
Wabugo may be your best friend yesterday, but today he is your worst enemy. The family must be closed down.
Father, I do not mean to question your authority, but why are you sounding like this? What happened?
If that child lives, the kingship of Obodeze we go away from our family after my reign.
Impossible. Never.
I have this awful feeling. I heard voices.
And what is the voice saying?
Run. 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 That is all I hear.
It must be the voice of the spirits.
I am a warrior, and brave men don't run away from their father's land. They stand and fight.
I am not a warrior. I am only but a woman. I am afraid.
Where is the child?
What is the meaning of this?
Where is Ezesnachi?
Okorona, why do you want my child?
Get me the child.
can see the child. There is no child.
Let's go!
Surrender the child.
No! I won't give you this child. Instead, I will throw him into the river for fishes and crocodiles.
I know what you are capable of doing.
Like I said, I would do anything and everything to make my father happy.
You are the hero of my victory.
I take permission to leave, Father. When my father dies and I become the king, I shall build you a new palace and a new hut. You're not happy.
And what if you do not become the king?
My father has no other person stronger than I am, so he has no choice.
Your father may not choose you. If you doubt me, ask your father. Remember, your father loves Obieze's mother and despises your mother.
Obieze, my son, I'm happy for you. You are becoming a full-grown man. I'm really very happy for you.
Live long, my father, your highness.
Yeah.
Obieze, excuse us, I want to talk to my father all alone. Father,
yes?
I want to know amongst your sons who is in your heart to succeed you when you are no more.
Why this sudden question?
Father, I want to know. I want to know if it is against me.
This is the wish of the gods of our land. When I'm no more, Obieze, your brother, will be the king.
Father, Obieze. Father, you chose a little boy over a warrior and a hero like me? After all I have done?
It is the wish of the gods.
Father, it is not the wish of the gods. You chose him because of the great love you have for the mother. Live long, your highness.
Accept Obieze as your king and bury your ambition.
What is it? A child! A child? Oh. It's a boy. Pick him up. Why?
Master, this child must be a water spirit.
African man mentality. This reminds me of a story in the Bible. Please pick him up, let's go.
No.
Obika is an order. Pick him up! Pick him! Let's be going. When you were so that cold will not enter his body.
Carry him well, Odika.
My life is meaningless without the throne. I will never be happy ever again. My greatness, my pride, my strength, my bravery, all are dead.
My lord! My lord! Brave men stand! Fight and win!
The battle is lost already. My father has named his successor.
Do not be a brave man in the heart and a fool in the mind. Your father hasn't made his decision known to the people yet. Eliminate Obieze. Use your head.
Ikenta, go and call Ono for me. Tell him I want him to come right now. There's an important discussion I have with him. Thank you.
Live long, Your Highness, my father.
My prince. Welcome. Sit down.
Father, I came to apologize for my behavior the last time you mentioned your successor. I slept over your decision and I have taken it in good faith.
Thank you, my son. And for your loyalty, your obedience, your understanding.
I promise to support Obieze and respect him as my king throughout his reign.
I forgive you with all my heart.
Thank you, my father.
What is wrong with the child?
I don't know. This child must be a witch.
No. I think the baby is hungry.
No food for the child. Let us throw this child into the forest.
What? Black man mentality. Give me the child.
Brother.
Obiese, are you not done? My prince. My prince. Obiese. My prince. Obiese. My prince. Obiese. 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 My prince. Obiese. My prince. My prince. My prince.
I think the people of Ubenube have a hand in this. You know they are looking for human hairs to bury their dead king.
No. I don't believe that. The people of Ubenube are afraid of us. They can't come to our land and start hunting for human heads.
Yeah, you are very correct. They can never try it. They can never. You are correct.
Okoronna, what did you see?
Father, I saw some giant footprints in the forests.
Gather your men. Go to the forest and villages of Ubenube and search for Obiese.
Live long, your highness.
Because I wise
This is Obiese's grave.
Now I'm convinced he's dead. Your father will have no one to choose but you.
Let's go.
Live long, your highness. Father.
You were lost in thoughts. You have other children that could make you happy.
Corona. Obiese's disappearance is something I still cannot believe could happen to us. We shall give Obiese the fitting burial, even though we can't find his body.
As it pleases you, your highness. Father, if I may ask, now that Obiese is no more, what are your plans about your successor?
I've consulted Ezemo Anyodo. I've consulted Ogugu, Dibia Neke, Dibiana, and Dibia Anyammo. None of them could tell what killed Obiese. All they said was that Obiese is dead and was killed by 3 men.
3 men?
Ikenna will be the king.
Father, you chose from the same mother? It's obvious now that you hate me, father.
I know what killed him.
What killed him? Me?
He died for the throne.
What if he returns tomorrow?
Obieze will never return. He is gone forever.
Father, I don't know what I have done to deserve this hatred from my own father. But whatever it is I have done, Father, I beg you in the name of the gods of our land, let me be the king after your reign.
At the new moon, I shall declare Ikenna the king to be. But if Ikenna should die before the new moon, I shall declare you the king. For now, Ikenna will be the king.
He's going to be the king?
Yes. Ikenna must die.
No. No, he must not die.
Why?
Your father already suspects you killed Obieze. He only wants to be fully convinced that you're the killer. Okoro, your victory is near, but there is a shorter way. If I'm correct, the tradition says that if the king dies before his successor, the first son becomes the king. Your father must die before the new moon. And before the new moon is sighted, you're rather the king.
Dikeh n'obi. Ada agba ochinti na agha esu. Maka na agha su ochinti anọ. Ondo! Osisi amara gbo n'obi, abata na agba mgbo achigharịa ya. Ọba anyị na-eje ije n'obi Chukwu. Mgbada kara aka na-ekwu okwu. Nwụcha m kama nọrọ. Egbubite ololo esi ihe ọkụ ọgụnụ na afịọ. Nkịtị na-azụ n'afịa udene ada azụ afịa. O ji bụrụ na okirikiri akwụgbọ oso a na-agbụ ya maka okwu adarị ya bụ ose enu. Akakwa na aga ala ụzọ alụ anụ n'ikpere ọfịa. Mmiri dọrọ ọrụ na-eju nkịta ka ọ na-eche. Ka anyị chịpụ agbara gbata. Odo! Alụsị nnere ose nyere ọjị. Ọta bụrụ ododo odem n'aka. Eji m ayawu isi kirikiri. Eji m ọkọ ọkpa ọcha tirila nkubelu ọnụ kwa akpakpa fochi. Onge sim tinye ụgbọ na mmiri m kpụba osimiri n'azụ. Nrute na mgbakọ abọ nze na ụlọ asị m zuo ike. Maka agbọ nkụkọ na-eche m. Ọ mara mma n'anya akwụ. Mbala mmiji ekwela mbala akpa iche. Ọ mụla enye arụsị niile dị n'ala Igbo nni site n'aka Odo. Onye isi ya gaba ọgaba. Odo! I bow before you. If I am truly your mouthpiece, tell me, reveal to me. I want to know what I'm supposed to know. Nkịtị na-azụ n'afịa udene ada azụ afịa. Ama amachi ọgọdọ nwanna dị maka mkpụrụ amụ ibi ya dị. Ọgụnụdo. Ọgbaba kpatapata ọgụ abụrụzikwa ọgụ nwaanyị na-agba adodo akala ara. Ọ bụ mgbe ọ ga-agba obebe kampa ka ndị gbara ọkpụrụkpụrụ ka o gboro ma ndị ghara ka mbere sahara achaka. Gbani m okwula aka ma anụ ya na ntị. Ahụ. Your Majesty, they cannot review the faces of those who killed your son, Obieze.
Let the gods strike them to death. Obieze was the crown prince of Obodeze kingdom.
Exactly. Ọkwụrụ n'iru, omefa n'azụ. Ha akwụrụ n'azụ, omefa n'iru. Anyị ga-amanye ha mgbịrịgba a na-amanye dike n'obi. Is it not true? This is me, the mouthpiece of honor. Anụ m ya. O tie n'oli afọ m ya na mkpọ. O zuzuru bịa leke anwụchikọọ m ya n'afọ. Ọkwa ha? Ebee ka ọ gbadị eje? Kpụtụm ọ sụrọla ọnụ ọsụọla uzu osisi. A na-agbalị agbalị aracha mkpịsị aka ga-ekunye ya n'elu. Ọ bụrụ nne mụrụ ikide mụrụ ịmụrụ kpọm. Ka o runie n'elu ma zoo n'ana maka na ozobe n'ana ozobe onye azọdọkwụ n'ụkwụ n'ana. Iri mụrụ ụkwụ anụnụ ji eti ụkwụ. Gbanụ m ife unu na-agba n'obe gba aga makara onye oju bido mmụba anụnụ ebebe akwa. Maka ọba agagasịrị ga mụ na egwu osimiri nwata gwuo osimiri ọkwụrụ agbọ. Kedu onye ọ bụ? O tie n'idu awa m ya n'afa. Ọwa n'afa bịa n'oturu odi. Ọ bịabara oturu ose aba ebe na ọha ose. Ọ dabara ose ogbe isi akwụga n'akụkụ ose ogbe osi ala apụta. Gịnị ka a ga-eme? Ọfọ tigbu obodo, ọfọ njiri gbu mmụọ, ọfọ mgbu jiri gbu mmadụ. Ndị mere arụ a ọnwụ ka ha ji ana. Odo! 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 Nkịtị zụọ n'afịa udene. Igbe. Ife mere ndị mmụọ. They rejected your request. Why? Why, Ondo? Your Majesty, your request can only be possible if you can offer your head to them as sacrifice. Bam!
My own head? Why, if I may ask?
Your Majesty, remember, many seasons ago, you killed your father to become the king. And you also killed your brother and his family, then set their heart on fire. Your Majesty. Igbe, hold on, mama. No.
Watching over you, they are looking at you. In a
Achụsịa Naija afro n'ude na ive mere be ndị mmụọ. Achụsịa Naija afro ude na ive mere be ndị mmụọ. Ogbejodoro. Your Highness, there's a solution to your problems.
Ogugu, the eye of the gods. I know what you can do.
Your Highness, it will cost you blood. I say blood. It will cost you.
Whatever is the price, I will pay.
You must dig your father's grave. Bring out his skeleton and rebury it with 7 human heads. So, Gugu, then you shall know peace again.
My people, I greet you all. It was revealed to me that the spirit of my dead father is not in the land of the dead. The spirit roaming about like a sheep that has no home.
Your Majesty, This is a serious problem, and we must find a solution to it.
I'm assuming my father. Bury him back with human heads.
Your wish is our command, Your Majesty.
Father.
Take your men. Bring us 7 human heads in 2 days.
Live long, Your Highness. Together. My queen. Wake up.
Why did you wake me at this time?
I hope all is well.
Together, all is not well. My father told us he wants to give his father a second burial in 3 days.
A second burial?
I am making a journey, and I'll be back in 2 days.
You are brave at heart, but a fool in the brain.
You call me a fool? I am a brave warrior, the greatest in the history of Obodeze. I am not a fool.
And I repeat, you are brave at heart, but a fool in the brain. Why do you care about your father more than your own future? If you are wise, you would put yourself first.
How do you mean?
Have you asked yourself why your father wants to give your grandfather a second burial? What if the burial isn't in your own favor? What if the new moon is sighted before your return and Ikenna becomes the new king?
You have a point.
I suggest you forget your father and chase your destiny. You have few days to eliminate your father and step into your glorious destiny.
Yes,
What if the people of Obodeze wake up in the morning and find their king dead? You have done greater things than this. Take heart and make good use of the opportunity. The king of Obodeze. And I, the queen.
You made it possible. Without you, I would have been dead by now.
But, Your Majesty, the battle is still on.
Battle?
Yes, battle. There is something left for you to do. You see, Your Majesty, I have been having these terrible dreams about you since you became the king.
My queen, tell me.
it must be a secret between you and I. Your Majesty, the walls have ears.
Then we must take a walk.
In my dream, all the sons of your father, including your son, Mudo, fought you with a machete.
Fought me?
Yes. You became weak. They killed and cut off your head.
My head?
They cut off your head and carried it around in celebration. And when they returned to the palace, they crowned your son, Mudo,